Hey guys, welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. If you guys missed our live trading session on Thursday, you left a lot of money on the table. Last week we predicted 3 currency pairs for you guys live on this channel, and 2 out of the 3 currency pairs we predicted actually hit our take profit. It was an amazing time trading with you guys. We do this every Thursday. Our live trading sessions are every Thursday. We come on here live to share signals with you guys, to analyze chat with you guys. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, subscribe right now, subscribe to this channel. And also we do this every weekend. I come on here to give you guys 5 amazing high probability trading opportunities that will help you to make a lot of money in the market. So this week we're looking at 5 currency pairs and what you should expect coming next week, so that you make money with us here live at TradeWave Academy. So that said, let's jump right into this video. At this point, if you're here to subscribe, or if this is your first time like seeing my face on YouTube, seriously man, where have you been all this while? Subscribe to this channel so that I don't miss out of all these amazing analysis we do every single weekend. So next week in the market, we're expecting some fundamental news events that would be very that might be scary to some people. So on Wednesday, we're having the FOMC statement come out, going on Wednesday as at 19:00 GMT +1, which is about 7 p.m. Nigerian time. We also have Fed interest rate decision coming out at about the same time, and of course the press conference that actually follows it. Okay, and also on Thursday we have core PCE coming out on the USD by 1:30 p.m. GMT +1. So those are like the 2 major news events. Of course, there are some other news events, but these are like the major ones that you should keep your eyes on. Okay, so that said, let's go into today's currency pair. Let me show you guys what you expect. If you guys didn't trade Euro USD, this was the Euro USD trade we took last week. It cleared out. Gave us close to about 1:3. Although we're able to, we exited the trade at 1:2, but it gave us a clear 1:3 on this trade. But however, that said, if you missed out, don't miss out this Thursday again. We are coming on here live to trade with you guys, so don't miss out. So let's start with EURGBP. EURGBP was one of the currencies I predicted for you guys last week, which didn't actually go as planned. Last week I predicted 4 currency pairs, and only 3 of them actually went the direction I predicted, which is way above 70%, as I always tell you guys. Okay, so I predict that this currency will actually fall from here, because I was expecting this market to start tanking from about this level. This was where the market was as of last week, somewhere around the zone, I think, and I expected this market to fall after I saw the zone right here, which was looking like a very good key level. But unfortunately that didn't happen. We got the break, something that I thought was going to be a liquidity grab, but that didn't happen. We saw this market all the way, just kept pushing all the way up. Okay, well, but however, this week we're expecting this market to actually start falling, and I'll tell you why I'm expecting the market to start falling. So if you go back to, let's start from a weekly time frame. Let me show you guys something. So the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that we are on a downtrend. We're still on a downtrend on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame too, you can clearly see that we are on a downtrend. Although we've been able to have a higher high, but we've not been able to have a higher low. Okay, so we are still positive that this sell will probably still happen. And if you go down to a 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that the market is at a very, very key level, which is this place right here, which has been tested multiple times as a support in the past, and we're hoping that this support will fully transition into a very good resistance so that we can sell. Okay, so you can see the market was a support multiple times here, and the market is back to that zone, and we can see that the market has clearly given us something that looks like a triple top. You can see the first bounce off, second bounce, third bounce right here. So I'm very much hopeful that this market will actually start falling as soon as Monday morning. That's what I'm expecting. So it's going to be a swing trade. If I should call a signal on this, our stop loss would be about 60 pips, considering that ATR is 20 pips. So considering ATR as 20 pips, our stop loss can be 60 pips. Then we can push it all the way down to about 1:1.2 first target. Then second target, we're looking at this zone right here, our second target, which is 1:2. Okay, so that's what I'm actually expecting on EURGBP. Next week I'm expecting EURGBP to actually respect the zone, which has tested 3 times and resisted 3 times. Okay, so I'm favoring a sell bias on EURGBP. So let's jump ahead to EURCAD. EURCAD is another currency pair that I personally, this is not like my favorite currency pair. I really trade EURCAD because of the level of spread it actually has for my broker. But however, on 4-hour time frame and on daily time frame, we can see that this market is on a clear uptrend. On the weekly time frame too, we can see that we are still on an uptrend. Daily time frame uptrend. 4-hour time frame is where we are going to be doing our analysis. So you can see that this market came down. Let me remove this right here. This market came to this level, which was is a key level because it has been tested both as a support and a resistance in the past. You can clearly see here that it was tested as a support here, as a resistance here, and also as a resistance here, and the market is back at that level, and we can see a resistance already happening. So I'm definitely favoring an uptrend to happen, a bullish move to happen on EURCAD come next week. If you put a moving average on this, it might be a bit deterring to actually favor a buy. But however, when you go down to a 1-hour time frame, we can now see that we have broken and closed above. We have 2 candles close above its 50 moving average on a 1-hour time frame, which is a positive move for a possible uptrend to happen on this. Okay, so on a 4-hour time frame, using of course your knowledge of support and resistance and candlestick patterns, we're actually favoring an upward trend on this. So this is what I'm hoping to likely happen. We might actually get a liquidity grab to happen here, which is very likely. It's a very juicy area for liquidity to be grabbed. Might get a liquidity grab happen here, a range happen, then will now move all the way up. Okay, so either ways, you can actually choose to enter immediately the market opens, or you can actually choose to wait for a liquidity grab to happen, then you can jump into the trend. This can give you at least 1:1.3. But however, if you're able to wait for the liquidity grab to happen, you might be able to get something more than 1:1.3. You can be able to get, let's say, 1:2 on this trade, or even a 1:3 probably on this trade. Okay, so however you choose to do it, I'm actually favoring an uptrend to happen on EURCAD come next week. Okay, EURCHF is another currency I predicted for you guys last week, which went exactly as I predicted, because we were about this zone last week. I told you guys that this market was going to fall because ultimately we're actually grinding to this zone right here. This is where we are grinding to. We're heading to the 0.9485 zone. So this market will just keep selling. Definitely, that's how I've seen this happen in the market for over 7 years of my experience in trading. The market will just keep grinding slowly, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, until we actually hit this zone, which is 0.9485 zone. Okay, so we're back to this key level which I showed you guys last week, where the market moved. I told you guys it was going to fall. It touched our first TP, came back, touched the second TP, and then the market retraced on Friday. The market retraced on Friday a little bit, then moved down again. So this week, I'm expecting this grind to actually continue happening. If you put a moving average, you can actually still see on the 4-hour time frame, we're still clearly below the 50 moving average and clearly below the 20 moving average. So we're actually favoring the sell buyers. Okay, we have the sell buyers on EURCHF. So hopefully this market will just keep grinding. It's just left for you to actually find an entry, a good entry for yourself, to just keep doing something like this all the way down. This is just what we'll keep saying. So find a good entry for yourself, and then you can actually start selling. Okay, find a good entry and sell. EURCHF, I'm favoring the sell side. Okay, now GBP JPY is under currency pair. I think I predicted this for you guys last week, although we had a full a crazy retracement happen on Friday after we had the news events come out. But last week I predicted that we are going to fall. That was going to fall. GBP JPY was going to fall, and it fell pretty flat from Monday to about Thursday until Friday, when we had that crazy retracement happen. Okay, but we were able to hit our first and second targets in the academy, and then this was what we had on Friday. Okay, but however, I'm actually still favoring the downside on on GBP JPY because this, if you guys know anything about trading, this is a very clean reversal pattern right here. We get a long candle, a red candle, trying to trick sellers to think that it's about to sell, do another blue candle, then the market now starts tanking. So probably what you have happened on Monday, Tuesday, went up until Wednesday, probably something like this, a range above here, then we'll actually start tanking. That's typically the way it actually works. But either ways, I'm actually favoring the downside. I'm favoring a sell to happen on this. This is where our target is. I showed you guys this target last week, but it's very possible that we might not get to this target anymore, because we would definitely see a reaction happen from the 50 moving average on the daily time frame. So we're looking at the 178.01 zone. You can also see that this market is retesting the 20 moving average on the daily time frame. This is what you are seeing right here. You can see the market is actually pushing down. This small wick we're seeing on right here is pushing down from a 20 moving average, which is a very positive sign for a sell to happen. And doubling that down is that we also have this market approaching a very key resistance level, which I showed you guys last week. It was tested at resistance and also a support. Also a support here, resistance here. The market is back at that zone, and we're seeing this very, very strong red candle right here. So this is a very key resistance zone. I'm expecting the market to actually start selling from this point, possibly after a liquidity grab. But either ways, however the week ends, I'm very positive that GBP JPY is actually going to end on sell, and we're going to hit this zone regardless. Okay, so we're heading to the 178.01 zone. That's what I'm expecting that market to reach as at the end of Friday this week. Now gold is the final currency pair I have for you guys this week. I've been always spot on gold. All my gold analysis for you guys has always been spot on. Gold is at a very, very critical point, very, very critical. It looks bullish, it looks bearish. If you look at it from multiple time frames, on a weekly time frame, we can say it's bearish, it's bullish, sorry, because we have a high, we have higher high, we have a low, we have higher low. So on a weekly time frame, it's looking very much bullish. Now if you go back to a daily time frame, it's now looking bearish, because we're seeing a high, a lower low, a high, another lower low. So it's now looking very bearish. But however, just not to confuse you, I'm bearish. I'm actually bearish on gold, because I'm very positive that this market will actually get to these zones. These zones I marked out for you guys previous I think 2 weeks ago. This zone, then this zone, this 1929.15 zone, and also the 1902.63 zones. I might not go into details why I think that the market will actually get to that point, but I'm very, very positive that it would get to that point. So we're seeing something from this resistance, this key level right here. We're seeing something that looks like liquidity grab that has looks like it had happened. The market bounced off from that zone, went up, grabbed liquidity, and is actually pushing all the way down. I'm expecting this market to actually do a retest this zone again. Retest this zone again, give us a very clean head and shoulders pattern, complete break neckline, and then we held all the way down. So this is my bias on gold. I'm bearish on gold come next week. However, on Thursday we'll be analyzing this market again together right here on this channel. Thursday we come here live every Thursday and every Monday morning. Monday mornings I come to teach you guys forex. I come to handle key aspects of forex that people are most times confused about. And also every single Thursday we come on here live to share signals, to share setups, to trade live with you guys as a community. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, go ahead, subscribe to this channel right now, so that once we go live you are notified and you don't miss out of the amazing juicy signals that we call on this channel every single week. That said, if you want to learn how I trade, if you want to learn how I've taught hundreds of students to become successful professionals trading the forex market, I have a link in the description that will guide you to join my training program. It's a one-time payment, lifetime mentorship. Under my mentorship, myself and my experts in trading, we teach you guys how to trade, how to make money from the forex market every single every single day. Okay, so it's a full program. You have full access to all my training program, private mentorship and training program that are not here on YouTube. I have over 40 pre-recorded videos of how I trade the forex market from basic to professional level. So even if you know nothing about the forex market, the program got you covered. So that said, I love you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'll be teaching I think a very, very juicy topic on how to trade Asian session or something. My PA sent me that. I'm yet to confirm. I'm yet to actually check, be sure of the topic. Our brand designer sent me the design. I'm yet to confirm the particular topic for tomorrow. But however, be here tomorrow morning. Let me teach you guys how to make money from the forex market. So that said, love you guys. Have a wonderful time trading the forex market. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.